BOSCH variable speed dial. Soft start, maintains constant speed under load. Quick clamp system on both bases. Includes a fixed base with a system for adjusting bit height from above a router table. Precision centering makes it easy to keep bit on intended cut line when using jigs, templates, dovetail fixtures, and similar guidance devices. The fixed base has threaded holes for mounting to router table positioned in BOSCH 4-hole pattern and common 3-hole pattern. Microfine bit depth adjustment system on both bases. Wide base openings and 2 inches sub-base openings and provides better visibility. Right or left? Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Top-tier power. Among the most powerful routers for woodworking at 12 amps, 2.25 horsepower, and 8,000 to 25,000 RPM, the Wood router's advanced speed control technology monitors and maintains the desired RPM for consistent performance. Number 2. Flexibility. The hand router's variable speed dial allows you to set the optimal speed for the routing task and material. Base diameter 6 inches fixed, 6 and 11/16 inches. Rounded hardwood handles maximize user control. Number 3. Durable and comfortable. The motor housing and bases are made of aluminum, and the power switch is completely dust-sealed for added durability. This router is backed by a 1-year limited 30-day money-back and 1-year service protection plan. Number 4. Accurate. This versatile kit provides all the components necessary for fixed depth routing. Microfine bit depth adjustment on the base. With an overall range of 1 inch and accuracy to 1/64 inch. Allows for accurate and fast changes. Number 5. Versatile. This versatile kit can be used for a broad range of applications, including precise bit plunging, edge forming, slot cutting, laminate trimming, and dovetail cutting, making it one of the most widely used routers for woodworking. Number 6. Most popular profiles for straight, trimming, decorative edging, and dovetail joinery job applications. Number 7. Premium quality micro-grain carbide tips provide superior wear resistance, sharper edges, excellent smoothness, and long life. Number 8. A balanced and controlled cut design helps minimize kickback and allows smooth cuts with minimal vibration, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.